Hello everyone, welcome to this Filament CMS tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to be building a content management system using Livewire, PHP 8.1 or 8.2, either will work, and we will also be using Laravel 10 to build our own content management system. So to get started with, we will be creating this project using Laravel Herd, and then I use DB engine to essentially set up a database with. So you can just go in and set up the database in the env file. And once I've done that, we can then go in and name the database in the env file. Let's migrate everything. And also make sure that it uses HTTPS. Otherwise, we can't get to have the full security on, even though it's running locally. It's always nice to have HTTPS on. Then let's go on to install Filament PHP. So we just compose the required. Afterwards, we will install the admin panel, and then we would just create a Filament super user. Then you can enter your name, email address, and password. And we can just log in here to the admin panel. So to start off with, we don't actually want to set anything up. This video is just purely the installation aspect. In the next video, we're gonna create the first block part of the CMS. We're going to start out with being able to create articles in the database and then afterwards displaying them. We can also go in and modify the panel here, for example, say colors cyan or amber. So after we've applied this color now, changing it from amber to cyan, we can go on to our CMS and we can go to admin/panel, and admin/panel doesn't work, obviously it's just /admin, and you can see this color is now cyan. This is based on your env file, so if you wanted to go ahead and change that here, we can just go in and call this Filament CMS and refresh the page. And as always, you can also use npm run dev. Outside of that, in here you can also configure the plugins you want to install. It automatically discovers the resources in here and the widgets and the pages. Later on we will be extracting this into a package when we're creating all of this, but for now we will essentially build everything in the application and then move it all into a package afterwards.